This is an extra large Sea Terrace cabin, cabin 10322A on Brilliant Lady. So this room has all the amenities of a normal Sea Terrace cabin. The only difference is it's bigger. And this cabin type has the largest bathroom out of all the other cabin types. As I was saying, this cabin type has a relatively large bathroom. As you can see, there's a separate area for the toilet, and then there is a standing shower. And I just want to say I'm saying relatively. If you want something with a little bit more space and a more of open concept, I suggest that you look at the suites. And as always with these cabins, it does come with a mini bar, and the rooms are smart enabled. This cabin has an unobstructed view, and you still get the signature red Virgin Voyages hammock. So, this cabin is included in the Voyage Fair Choices program that Virgin does. There's 3 different levels to this: base, essential, and premium. I just highlighted the major differences between the 3 different levels. The essential fare is probably what you know Virgin for. This was just done so there's a bit more transparency in what you get. When you book, it does show you and allows you to compare the different fare points. But it's important to note that you still get all the essentials included no matter which fare you choose. You still get group workouts, the essential drinks like water, non-pressed juices, sodas, teas, and coffee. Your dining is included, and tips. So that was the extra large Sea Terrace cabin on Brilliant Lady. If you haven't already, you can watch some of the other room tours that I've done during my ship tour, or you could watch the full ship tour I did. I am a travel advisor, and I can help you book your own Virgin Voyages cruise if you're looking for help. But until the next adventure, keep exploring. Okay, bye!